Good morning everybody, and this is your DAX day trade setups for today. So I just want to get this zone into the downside here because this is a fairly strong zone of support, and for me the way I'm looking at this is we have broken through the bull trend line that's been in place. Well, this one's been in place since roughly February. We've broken through, we've hovered below it and basically broken through, tested, and then rejected it. So there's a lot going on. We do have a massive pin bar here just hanging in the middle of nowhere, but we had a similar one here in the week. When was that? That's 18th of March. Inside that week we had this pin bar which is also rejected pretty much in the middle of nowhere. So obviously there's something there that we're missing. We'll have a look at that on lower time frames, but could be a bullish setup, being that this could be a flag. So if I just add two more diagonals here like that, it could be a flag. So bull trend, flag. Look at my oscillators, do have diversions here as well. There's a previous weekly swing low, and that is at around 17,935, and you can see the current swing low which has been verified with a fractal. So that is bullish diversions. So now if we move across to the 3 hour, you'll see the importance of the diagonals and see how they have been tested, but I'm just going to take them out because they are going to mess with your bias. Right, so look at the weekly price action. Strong move down, pull back, strong move down. So we've had two moves. So any textbook will tell you there's more than likely going to be a second move of any move that does happen. And that was pure textbook structure. Looking at the oscillators here, no real diversions in the week. If you look further back, there is. But again, this is that 18th of March low. So right now, put that level in, you can see that was a swing high within the week of the 19th of March or 18th of March as well, but I would prefer this as a rejection area, 18,300. So at the moment we have a fairly strong zone of resistance that we're bumping our head off. We did break through it, we've come back. That is the one thing that we can see. The other thing that we can see is that we've got a very strong zone of support a bit lower down here at roughly 18,100. So when we look at the 1 hour, there was nothing really going on Friday. It was just basically big down, big up, big down, big up, big down, big up. One thing that is in play is our oscillators. Have a look at that. They have separated. We are below the moving averages. So a rejection in the zone that we are now would definitely trigger some shorts for 18,095, 18,100, 18,050. Now if we get down to the 15 minute, because that's what we need to be looking for, you'll see a slightly different picture because we've got to cross over the moving averages here. So my take on this is quite simple. We need to get up above 18,266, move quite far above it, turn around, come and find supports in 18,266 and 18,300. So somewhere between 18,300 and 18,250 is kind of the area we want to see. We want to see price move past, come back, test it, and then roll to the upside. That would validate this inverse head and shoulders pattern that's here. The converse of this is really going to be, I would argue, I need a strong move below 18,230, pull back, a rejection, and then I'm looking for a short down to 18,095. Those are the two trades for the day, but you just need to be very cautious about it. Wait for the structure and then take the trade. Hope it helps, and we'll catch up with you tomorrow morning. Cheers for now.